Hi friends, welcome back to the basics of computer vision. This is Sushant and today we are going to rotate an image around its center using OpenCV. So let's get started. Here first we will import the required libraries. So we will import CV2 and matplotlib.pyplot. So I'll just execute this cell. Similar to what we have seen in a previous lecture of image translation, I'm using the same image to rotate it around its center. So the same figure.fixSize variable to get the enlarged image and cv2.imread function to read an image and plt.imshow function to display the image. So I'll execute this cell. So you can see the same problem that what we have seen in our previous video. So we'll just convert this blue image, that is the BGR channel image, into an RGB channel image. So I'll execute the next cell. So you can see the correct form of this image. Let's execute the next cell, which will give us the shape of the image. So this is the shape of the image. 2160 is the height and 3840 is the width of the image, and 3 is for the 3 channels, that is the RGB channel. Next, we will get the height and width in an individual variable called height and width. So we'll execute this line. Now we will reach to the center of the image by just dividing the height and width by 2 so that we will reach to the center of the image. Again, as you remember, the center is calculated from the origin, which is at this left hand top corner of the image. The right hand side is the x direction and the downward is the y direction. So we are calculating the center of this image. So let's execute this cell. We got the center. Now we will create a rotation matrix to rotate this image. So here we are using cv2.getRotationMatrix2D function, which will require the center as well as the angle of rotation. So here we are using 45 degree and the scaling factor for the image. We will see this scaling factor after executing few lines. So let's execute this line. So this will create the rotation matrix. Next, we will rotate the image using warp-affine function in CV2. So here you can see cv2.warp-affine function, which will take an RGB image, that is the image name what we have given, then a rotation matrix, and then width and height of an image. So let's execute this line to rotate the image. So we got the rotated image. So let's see how the rotated image look like. So I'll execute this line. So you can see here now the image has been rotated by 45 degree as per the input given by us. We can change this scaling factor and we can see it again how it look like. So I'm changing this scaling factor from 1 to 0.5 so that the image will be scaled to half. So let's execute that line. Let's execute this line and let's see the image again. So I'm executing this line. So now you can see the image is rotated as well as scaled to 0.5 factor. So this is how the image is being rotated. So that's all for this video. If you want to refer the source code explained in this tutorial, you can visit to my GitHub account. The link is provided with the description. And if you have any further questions, you can put your comments on this video. I will try to give you more clarity by answering those questions. And I hope that you like my videos. I request you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in my next video. Thank you.